Hello all, I'm your Komali ma'am. In this session, I'm going to tell you ever waiting crash course details. Are you curious to know when I'm going to start crash course? How many months crash course? What are the timings? How many hours in a day? What are the portions I'm going to cover in that? And is exams available or not? What is the fee structure? Can I be able to cope up with a crash course or not? How to get an highest mark in a crash course? All these things are your doubts, right? Let us start the session. See, in the actually I thought to start a crash course with the 2 months, but as per the NEET examination it can be after a June, so I am going to teach you for a 3 months. April, May, June, these are the 3 months I am going to take the crash course. What are the months? April, May, June. 3 months. 3 months is the course. Speciality of a course is there will be no stories, there will be no extension of or concepts. You will get exact point how to solve a question and what are the tricks and tips with a beautiful concept. It is not like concept without any clarity. It is like a concept provided you with a full clarity. Once you listen a concept, you will come to a conclusion that why these many days I don't know this about this course, why I did not enter into ma'am class before. This kind of conclusion you will get once you enter into the class. Classes will be very crisp and awesome. Exact points will be entered into the student mind. Why can't you be a part of that and enjoy learning of chemistry? How many days in a week I'm going to take the class? Weekly 5 days I'm going to take the class. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These 5 days you will be having a classes. Sunday and Monday are holidays. How many days, students? Weekly 5 days, and Sunday and Monday are holidays. You may be having exam during those days. If Saturday is one chapter comes to an end, you are going to write that examination either Sunday or on Monday. And coming to the timings, what are the timings I am going to take is actually every day 3 hours duration. 3 hours duration. Timings available is morning 6 to 7:30, again 8 to 9:30. 3 hours class with an half an hour breakfast gap. 6 to 7:30, again 7:30 to 8 o'clock is an breakfast gap. 8 to 9:30, entire 3 hours including breakfast gap 3.5 hours. Otherwise 3 hours is one batch. If you are in a morning batch, you have to attend class from 6 to 9:30. Is it clear? And again evening session 6 to same 9:30, 6 to 7:30, again 30 minutes is in your dinner gap, again 8 to 9:30. This is an evening batch. What is the difference between morning batch and evening batch? Morning batch is a live session. Live session means I come and I teach the class. Evening session is a recorded session of morning. Morning, whatever class I take, I record the class and I will give it in a evening as same like a live. You have to attend that class in a evening. Student has to select either morning batch or you have to select evening batch. Any one batch you have to select. What is that? Either morning batch or you have to select evening batch. What is the fee for this course? This fee for this 3-month course is 8,000. Class 11 organic, inorganic, physical will be covered. Class 12 organic, inorganic, physical will be covered. Entire chemistry portion will be covered in this 3-month duration. For that you have to pay 8,000 rupees is the fee. This fee is for the starting 200 students. Who and all joins the first, for those 200 students, this is the fee structure. After that the fees varies. And how to apply for this course? You have to send your 10th mark sheet and photocopy to the mobile number. This is my WhatsApp number. To To this number, you have to send your 10 mark sheet and photocopy. And if you are a repeater, you are a re-repeater or a long-term student, then you have to send your NEET result copy as well. So that if you want to join, you have to send first these details. Then if you have any queries, you have to ask. To get an immediate reply, first send your 10 mark sheet, photocopy, NEET result copy if you are a repeater. Then you ask your query, and further payment details will be given through the WhatsApp number. And who can apply for this course? The students who are going to write NEET 2021, you have to apply for this course. If you are not a student, you cannot apply for this course. And when you are giving your passport size photo, you have to give your recent photo, because during a class you have to on your camera so that your photo while joining whatever you gave, it has to match. If it won't match, you cannot attend the further classes. So whatever the details you are providing, it should be a correct details. And coming to the examination, see, you are going to learn 15 chapters plus 16, total 31 chapters of class 11 and 12, and some extra chapters, in the sense split chapters, like I told you, equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, wherever split chapters is there, mole concept, some stoichiometry you study as an equivalent concept, mole concept, like a split chapters you study. So you have to, out of 30 in NCR, as per NCRT, 31 chapters, but you write more chapters, correct? You learn more chapters in a coaching. So you have to write exams frequently. Exam can be every day, or exam can be day alternate day also. Be ready for that, because if it is a small chapter like polymer, you have to write on the same day, means next day. And if it is a big chapter, if a class I take 2 days or 3 days, depending upon the exam will be conducted. After every one chapter completion, you have to write one examination. That is an exam. You get an on-spot result. You can see your marks. And coming to the timings of a class, whatever the class timing is there, 6 to 7:30 or 8 to 9:30. Apart from that, before class starts, I take the exam. I give you the examination. Is it clear? You are going to write exams. You are going to attend a classes every day, 3 hours class. And coming to the mark sheet, you have to provide your 10 mark sheet and photocopy. That's it. This is the number, you can provide it and you can join. And suppose you have a problem, you have one problem and you don't have a solution to the problem, then leave the problem to the destiny. But you have a problem, there is a solution to the problem, then work on that problem and solve it. If your problem is a chemistry, your problem is in getting in highest, you want to get highest mark in a chemistry but not able to, then solution is with me. You can join into the course and you can crack an highest mark in chemistry. I hope I will see you soon in my classroom. And those who are interested, you can send your mark sheet and photocopy to get an immediate response. From today, your enrollment is started. Thank you so much. See you soon in my classroom.